So people are saying to weld a nut to the top of your vice grip. Let's see how that works. I can definitely see this having its benefits. It'll definitely come in handy in the shop. Take her out and drench her in the snow here. All right, let's get a wrench. 11/16. Imagine that. It doesn't even go up to 3/4. Junk. That works pretty good. I think this would be sweet if I had an impact with me. I definitely think they both serve a purpose. I do like the washers on there. You can get that really tight really fast. I definitely think I'll make a couple more of these and put the nuts on here too.